Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if Play Store notifications are not working in any of your Android device. So to fix this problem, you have to follow the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn what you can do if Play Store notifications are not working.